Are you facing issues with your Shopify payment being on hold and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to explain to you and show you step by step exactly how to fix this issue. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step until the very end to make this work. So quite often this happens after you get your first orders on Shopify. So for example, if you have a new store in Shopify and you have started to get orders, well then you will probably get your Shopify payments on hold right now, because there is actually a reason behind this. They would want to verify exactly who you are to be able to continue to provide payments to you basically. So they want you to actually verify your identity. That is the most the basic cause of it basically. Most people that own Shopify store will get that their payments is on hold first time they are actually receiving orders basically. So I think I actually was able to resolve this myself, by the way. And what I did, I'm just going to check right here. I think it was in home right here or in orders that I get like a yellow banner basically where it said that I have to verify my ID basically. It's not for this store right here, it's for another store, just so you know. I just use this as an example for this tutorial, but you will get like a yellow banner somewhere and you will be able to actually see exactly what kind of details that you need to send to Shopify to be able to verify. Quite often, as I said before, it's going to be your ID, or it can also be a utility bill. Utility bill meaning your address bill basically. So for example, if you rent somewhere or if you have a house that you or apartment that you bought basically, you will have like a paper each month, or if it's electronic, you basically will be able to see your rent cost and all your like utility costs. So that is quite often what kind of information they want to be able to receive from you. They want to be able to see that the address that you have actually written on your store is the correct as well. So probably it's going to be two steps. You will need to verify your ID. You will also need to verify where you live. And by the way, if you have written incorrect address, you can always go to settings right here. As you can see, you get to this page right here, which is perfect. And what you're going to do now, I'm going to see if I remember customer accounts, maybe this one. No, sorry, it wasn't this one. Let's see if we can actually find, oh yeah, sorry, of course, it's right here, billing information. Click on edit and basically make sure that all of this details right here is actually correct basically, because if it's not correct, then probably you will not be able to verify your details for Shopify. So make sure that these details right here, they're all correct. And when they are correct, then you can just basically proceed to giving them the details that they want basically. So yeah, this is exactly how to do this. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.